Hi, I'm Stephen Fleenor, and I want to show you how to do the Uncover the Picture activity on Microsoft PowerPoint. There's a couple different ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. The easiest way to do it is to start with your warm-up slide that has the main visual that you are going to want to do this activity with, and we're going to just simply add in a shape. That might be in your Quick Shapes toolbar, or it might be in Insert, Shapes, and then add in a rectangle. So I'm going to add in a rectangle, and I'm going to try to cover most of this image. I'm going to cover all except what I want to reveal to the students at the start. So let's say I cover all of this part right here, and then I'm going to add in another rectangle to cover more of it, and I will cover, let's say, this part. Maybe I'll leave a little bit of this text exposed so they can try to guess at what this text is. And then I will add another rectangle, and I'll cover this bottom part. And I might actually try to add one more rectangle just to keep them guessing. So let's say I add in this rectangle. Okay. So at this point, they're only going to be able to see this part. And I might say, what is one thing you notice in this image, or one thing you wonder? Share that with your partner. Now, we can animate this slide to make these rectangles sequentially disappear, but honestly, the easier thing to do is just to copy this slide. Copy it, and then paste it. And in the next slide, what we're going to do is we're going to reveal a little bit more. So maybe I'll show the full text. Actually, maybe I'll take out all of this rectangle. So what I did there is I just hit the delete button, or you can hit the cut button. I might take out some more of this. I might go like this. Maybe I'll even show a little bit of this right here. Maybe I'll show a little bit more right here. But again, if I want to cover up this part but reveal this part, then what I can do is I can just insert another shape here. So I'm going to insert another rectangle, and I'm going to cover up this part like this. I'm going to do something like this. So here's slide 2, and I can do this one more time, or I can do it 2 more times. It's totally up to me. Again, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to hit paste. And the third time, I'm going to say I'm going to just remove all of these boxes. I'm going to cut all of these boxes, and maybe I'll change this to one thing you wonder about in this image, and one thing that surprised you, and give a sentence stem. One thing that surprised me was something like that. And when I present this to the students, first they'll see this slide, then they'll see this slide, then they'll see the full image. That's how you do it. Simple as that.